intro?
Yeah, your intro.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I just started.
Oh. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a tutorial about smoky eyes. So stay tuned. Talk to your millions of fans.
I wish I had millions of fans. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're actually not doing makeup today.
Who would have known?
Sorry. Anyways, no, today we're not doing makeup. We're actually still in Colorado, if you can't tell by this hotel-esque setup. And in that same candy shop where we found all those weird-ass sodas, we also found those little Japanese, like, kid candy kit things. I don't know, the Popin Cookin things. If you know who Shane Dawson is, you should know who these are. Or what these are, not who, I guess. I'm scared.
I think they'll be fine.
What if it tastes nasty?
Well, then somebody's gonna throw up again.
And we found some chocolate frogs, like in Harry Potter. Oh, milk chocolate frog with crisp rice.
Oh.
It literally says what it is, and you're like, ooh. Okay, we're gonna start out with these, and we're gonna start easy.
Don't tear it apart because there's a card inside.
I know, I'm scared. I'm trying not to. There is a collectible wizard card in here as well. Jesus Christ. So before we started filming this, he was like, hey, I'm ready to go ahead and film this and stuff. And I was like, do you only want to do this just because you want to eat this stuff?
That's the only reason why.
I don't understand what's going on right now. Shut up. Don't touch me. As a child, I literally would open presents that slow too. Like, I would try to do it perfectly and like not tear anything.
What'd you get?
Rowena Ravenclaw.
Oh, I got Albus Dumbledore.
I think it's kind of funny that you got a boy and I got a girl. Oh, look, she dances. She's shimmying. She shimmers. I wonder if they can see this. Can you see this? Can you see this bitch shimmying? Make it happen today. Yesterday, your move ring didn't get enough love. That's Siri's nice way of telling me I'm a lazy bitch. I mean, these have to. Oh man.
You broke your frog.
No. I got a dead frog. It's broken in half. Oh, it's literally just a, what are those candies called? That candy bar? Crunch?
Yeah.
Crunch bar.
Crunch bar.
There we go.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't want it. You don't want to do that. Okay. So, as for the little kits, we got one that's little tiny donuts. We got a little candy sushi one. And a little candy ice cream one. Which one do you want to start with?
Since I don't like regular sushi, let's start with sushi.
Okay. I love how he says, I don't like sushi. It's more like I'll die if I eat sushi.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Alright, that's
Here is what the packaging looks like. Let's see. Oh, this one's actually got English. That's nice. Did you want to open it? I'm sorry.
I was gonna pop it open.
We're gonna need some water, so will you get one of those cups and rinse it out and get water and put it in? It looks like packets of Raymond flavorings. This is a lot of work for kids. So we're also gonna use his cellular to get a POV, if you will, all of you porn lovers. So this is what it looks like. It comes with all of this shit. And to me, it just seems like way too much work for a child. This isn't even like, this is like one of those droppers with the tube cut off. And then I'm assuming, oops, I'm assuming that that was the shit that goes around the sushi roll.
The seaweed wrap?
Yeah, that. See, he doesn't eat sushi, and he knows more than I do. That's fine. This is fucked. Okay, so step one, we're gonna make some rice. Fill the oval depression one with water, and then add powder from the blue packet. Stir until thick like cooked rice. So, I'm assuming we're gonna take this little guy and it's just what my brain imagined it would sound like. And put water in it?
Sure. I feel like that's gonna take a while.
I guess fill it up. Yeah, but don't get too much. We'll ruin it. Ruin! Look, you made a mess. Look at that.
I make a mess from cooking regular food.
I know, because I'm the one that cleans it up.
So, the blue packet?
Where'd the instructions go? I guess it's that packet. Yep. Yep, the blue packet. That's gonna be our rice.
I guess rice candy powder.
Maybe this won't be too bad. Not all of it! Oh my god! Oh wait, or maybe it was all of it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't do things. Look at how violent he does things. He's such a boy. Is that what rice looks like?
I mean, come together, yeah. All right, next one. Add water up to the line on the side and spiral section, then add powder from yellow packet.
We're making eggs.
Spiral section. I guess that one?
Yeah.
It looks spirally.
How much water are we doing?
To the line.
Precision is key.
All right, and then yellow packet.
Shit. I fucked up.
Make sure you get it all in the same one.
I fucked up. At least I admit my problems. Get out of here, rice. Oh my god, that sounds racist. Fuck! I try to be violent like you and I fuck up. Oh. Oh, it's starting to solidify already. Does that look spread evenly?
Looks fine to me. Next. Gonna add water to the line on the side and the wavy section.
Are you telling me to do it or do you want to do it?
You can do it.
Okay.
Add powder from the red packet. Mix, spread until flattened.
Fuck! Maybe you need to do this. Why do you keep letting me do things?
Because you can critique, couldn't say it, how I do stuff, so.
Because you did A with me. This looks like strawberry jelly, like the kind that we buy. Just trying to make it beautiful.
Next, we're gonna make the dry seaweed.
Yay.
Spread out the black candy, whatever you did with that thing, and match shape and size to packaging pouch.
Got tuna in my eggs. What is that? Look at me, I could be a professional baker. What you think?
Works for me.
I did it!
Alright, next, you're gonna make the salmon eggs. And I'll keep covering stuff up. Want me to make this one?
Oh, I don't care. Is it going in this one?
I think it's going in. Add water up to the lines on the sides B and A. Add powder from the green packet to section A. Then you're gonna add orange packet to section B.
And do I stir them?
Mix well. Next, you're going to use the dropper to add mixture B into mixture A slowly.
This is fucking cool. Do you guys see this? I'm making motherfucking fish eggs. You wanna make some fish eggs, Christopher?
No.
Why?
I'm good.
Starting to congeal.
Alright, now we're gonna make the sushi. So,
are we not making candy soy sauce?
I guess you can.
Is that optional or is it not on the...
It's optional.
It feels like sticky rice, like it's weird. We have balls. Sushi balls.
Now you gotta scoop this stuff out.
And do what with it?
Lay it over the sushi. We'll cut it in half.
Little thirds?
No. Because you're gonna make one of the omelet, one of the tuna, and then one of the salmon eggs.
Oh. I thought we were doing the tuna.
Over.
Hello, Rowena. Rowena Ravenclaw. Are we ready to burger? Oh my god, it doesn't change on camera. Yes, it does. Okay. Wait. Oh, I'm doing it wrong because I'm dumb. Haha. It's just dancing. Sorry. Look at this. We did it so good. That looks like a real tuna. Because it is a real tuna. You're crushing the tuna.
It's not gonna work.
Yes, it is. I believe in you.
Just like real seaweed, it's breaking.
Look at this master. Hello. Don't look at the garbage on my nightstand. Yay, souvenir. Oh, wow. Look at my little eggs. Wow.
Alright, well, I'm making a mess.
Look at my little sushis. Do they look like real sushi? I'm gonna tell myself yes.
Alright. Let's try to taste this.
Oh god, which one do you want to try?
Well, since that one's breaking, I'll let you have it by yourself.
Which one?
The one with the salmon eggs.
I'm scared. It just is a little.
So?
I have a lot going on.
Your mouth is blue now. Alright, I'm gonna try the tuna.
The seaweed wrap thing was like... I hate that. Oh my god! Ah!
You want to try the other one?
Oh my god!
I told you your mouth was blue. Try the omelet. What is it called?
Yeah, try the omelet. I don't know why I was holding it that way. Try the omelet.
That's one. Oh, it tastes the same as the tuna, honestly.
What the hell? So, I got my nose pierced yesterday, you guys. Do you like it?
Alright, that's
okay, alright. First one down. Should we save the other two for different videos? Because this has already been like 35 minutes.
We can.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the other two right now because, like I said, it's been 35 minutes and 20 seconds. And I honestly feel like that's a lot of sugar and that we would throw up because it's probably not gonna be that good. So, until next time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, everything. Do it all. So, until next time.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.